Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy jalapeno chicken. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. We're going to begin by prepping 2 pounds of chicken. Here I already have mine cut into nice small cubes. We're going to pat it dry and season it with 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and now we're going to coat it with 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. So make sure the chicken gets fully coated. Okay, and once we have it, we're going to set it to the side so we can mix the ingredients to make our sauce. Okay, to a cup we're going to be adding our brown sugar along with 1 pickled jalapeno and juice, low sodium soy sauce. We're going to give it a good mix to dissolve the brown sugar, and then to that we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Make sure to mix until dissolved. And once we have that, we're ready to take it to the stove so we can start cooking. To cook the chicken, we're going to set the wok to medium-high heat, cover the bottom with oil, and allow it to heat up. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to be dropping our pieces of chicken and allow them to fry for about 5 minutes, or just until they're golden all around. And make sure to do this step in batches. After 5 minutes, remove the chicken from the wok. Make sure to drain as much oil as possible. And repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Alright, so once we have cooked all of our chicken, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and remove most of the oil. And to that, we're going to add our jalapenos and onion. Now, depending on how spicy you want your chicken, it depends on how many jalapenos you're going to add. So we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, add your minced garlic. And just give it about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we're going to grab our sauce mixture. Make sure to mix it before pouring it. And now here we're just going to add it and bring it to a simmer. It should take a couple minutes and just allow it to thicken up. And make sure to scrape the bottom of your pan. Okay, your pan should be clean on the bottom. Just like that. And once it comes to a simmer, you're going to see that the sauce has thickened up. So now here, we're going to add our chicken. And just mix it in. And at this point, reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And just like that, we have our delicious jalapeno chicken. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super quick, easy, and so delicious. Of course, you know, if you don't want it to be spicy, you can always add less jalapeno. And of course, make sure that you check them. But let me tell you that this right here, it's seriously so perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's seriously the best. And let me tell you that my kids love it. They don't like it too spicy, so this right here is just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I made my super easy and delicious jalapeno chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.